Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Hafizuddin.
Hi, I am Muhammad Irham.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nakib Barazwan. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Financial crime is a 2 trillion problem every single year. But the real issue isn't just the money. It's that our current defense are stuck in the past. The old system are slow and based on rigid rules that hackers figured out years ago. As digital transaction explode, we can't rely on human to audit every single move. We need a system that thinks as fast as the criminals do. This brings us to our case study, which is digital trust, a real-time fraud shield for the unbanked. Our solution, an AI-driven risk scoring engine. Instead of waiting for a human to spot a mistake, ChiProtector uses machine learning to analyze the behavior and also the velocity in milliseconds. We move past simple if this then that rule for the true behavioral anomalies detection.
Okay, now I'm going to do some live demonstration of our ChiProtector, our anti-money laundering detection systems. So we designed this dashboard specifically for financial compliance officer, and we can see on the left we have our real-time transaction injection engines, and on the right we have dynamic AI risk assessment metric and also the live transaction ledger. Alright, so first let's run a standard everyday transaction through the systems. I will leave the default account number here, and also I input a standard amount of 1,450 and also set the payment type as a cash deposit here, and the payment currency is USD. And also I make sure the sender bank location is UK and also the receiver bank location is UK. When I click the analyze transactions, it will show the transaction is approved and the risk score is 0.00%. When we process this, our GBM model instantly analyze the transaction against the sender historical behavioral status. And because this user has a trusted history and the pattern is safe, the AI assign a near zero risk score by returning the status as a proof. However, traditional banking systems struggle when sophisticated launderers create a brand new account to move a massive amount of illicit money. So I'm going to change the sender account here to the brand new unknown ID, and I will input a massive amount which is 850000, and then I change the sender bank location from UK to UAE, and then the receiver bank location is UK. So let's see what will happen when I click the analyze transaction here. So show the transaction is blocked and the risk score is 9.9.77%. So our AI may immediately catches the anomaly here and strip off any trusted historical data. The model recognizes that a cross-border cash deposit of this magnitude perfectly match the mathematical footprint of money laundering. And we also calculate a massive risk score, breaches our security threshold, and issue an immediately block order to freeze the funds. By combining a modern and initiative UI with a millisecond latency AI backend, ChiProtector provide financial institutions with the digital trust they need to scale globally and safely. So that's all the demonstration of front end.
For the technology in the room, let's look under the hood. We build our backend using fast API because in fraud detection, every millisecond counts. Our brain is a large GBM model which we train on a massive 1 GB plus dataset to ensure that we catch even the most subtle patterns. Then we use pandas and also the jot light for the lightning fast features engineering and the beautiful. And then for the reactive dashboard you will see in a moment was built with a Tailwind CSS and also the JavaScript. While the giant banks have their own tools, tier 2 banks and also the emerging fintech startups in Southeast Asia are often left behind. We offer a SaaS model that let these growing companies access the enterprise-grade security on a pay-per-transaction basis. We even offer a private cloud option for those with the strictest data privacy needs. When you compare us to legacy systems, the choice is clear. All systems are batch-based, meaning they find the fraud after the money is already gone. ChiProtector is real-time, while others struggle with false positive that annoy the real customers. Our ML optimized approach is far more precise. And because we use like GBM, we can retrain our model in minutes to adapt to the new threats. Looking ahead, we're just getting started. Our roadmap includes graph neural networks to map out entire money mule networks and also explainable AI, so the banker can see the exact reasoning behind every block. At the end of the day, ChiProtector isn't just about the code. It is about building trust in the digital economy. We are from Team Zam Solution and we are ready to protect the future of finance. Thank you.